All right, so one of the next things we have to do after we've done our insulation is put up our vapor barrier so we can get going on our V-match. You'll notice we've already done some. We're going to go ahead and keep on going. We're using a 4 mil poly as a vapor barrier. The insulation technically counts as a vapor barrier, but I always like to put the sheet of plastic up there. So we're going to go ahead and get going. You're going to watch us. We'll probably fast forward through a lot of it. And next step after this will, of course, be to do the V-match. So exciting there to get all the V-match done and get this wrapped up, get some lights going, you know, so you guys can actually see what we're doing in here. So come on along and we'll get this done. And we're just using a regular stapler to do this. You could use an electric one or something if you had it. It's what we have. We use it. And we're also not putting a ton of staples in this because we're planning on going right over it in the next couple days with the V-match. If this is long term, you might want to use like the little button cap. Nails have the little plastic washer on them or something. The staple will eventually pull through the plastic on you. All right, so now what we've got to do is release the garage door bracket to get the plastic under it. We're going to do one side at a time because the spring and everything's hooked. And these are temporary. Once we get the V-match up, we'll make something that looks a little nicer. So what we want to do is get it under the one rafter like that. We're going to pull it tight and screw that one. Like that. We'll move over into the next one. We're just going to pull that one up under there like that and then screw the garage door back up there. All right, so that should just about finish up the vapor barrier. We obviously have to trim some off. We'll trim that off now, and then we'll get started on the V-match. So come on back and watch us do the V-match, and then we'll go from there. We'll finish up the electrical and install the heat pump and just keep on working on the shop. All right, that finishes up the vapor barrier. So hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you want to see the rest of our videos. Be notified when we're posting new videos. Thank you.